Well, I am Krishnan Iyer, and what am I doing here? I'm on an Agnipath, and I'm totally irritated. That is because they have not taken me in the new Agnipath. And with me is the three dudes from the movie. Hey, welcome to the show. Tell us, why am I not in Agnipath?
Who's going to answer that question? Come on, Vijay.
Now that I see you, I think big mistake.
Big mistake, huh? Yeah. Next time. Because I also have to take my 325 rupees, right, Sanju Baba? Okay, so tell us about Agnipath. This has been, it's the biggest release of the new year. And there's a lot that's been said about it. There's a lot said about, for instance, Hrithik, how silent you are in the movie so far. Why is that?
How silent am I?
Yeah.
What makes you think that?
From what I've seen so far of it.
Well, yeah. The promos have very few lines. That is why, I guess.
But beyond that, you are saying a lot, right?
I say.
Or are you like the silent hero, the guy who will do shatak and everything will fly, hair will fly, heads will fly, but everything else will be in place?
No, I don't think that's the appropriate label. I think what I would, how I would define Vijay is that he's very simple. He's without a swagger. He's without a style to him. There's no attitude. There's no need to impress. There's no need to attract attention, except for the fact that the camera chooses to tell his story, which is what makes him stand out. Apart from that, it's just, and that's what really attracted me to the film, that it was such a contrast to the earlier classic Agnipath.
We'll talk about the earlier classic later, because that's of course a different ball game altogether. But Priyanka, you've come into the movie and you've got a brand new character to yourself. So was there any reference points? Because from where I'm standing, it looks like Kamine was half the reference point here.
Actually, no, just because I'm playing a Maharashtrian character.
You're looking the Mulgi.
Because
all over again.
Well, most Maharashtrian girls, lower middle class Maharashtrian girls would tend to speak and behave the same way. Like if you play a South Indian character, you'll probably end up looking the way you are right now. That's what I mean. So I mean, if you take an ethnic background, then it looks like that. But Kali and Sweetie, who was Kamine's character, are totally very different. So there was no reference point. I mean, I had the easier part of the job compared to the two, because Kali is a completely fresh character. What I really liked about Kali for this film was that she's just an epitome of strength in the movie, because she's absolutely and crazily in love with Vijay's character, and he is her whole life, and completely new and spunky and fun and fresh and happy and positive, and in a world which is Agnipath, which is, you know, revenge and anger and misery and you know, menacing. She's just positivity, and she's like sunshine, and that's what I really love about her character.
Okay, but the name is Kali, and last time it was Sweetie, and is it also because there seems a lot of angst and revenge and like a whole build up towards I'm going to kill you kind of thing. So are you also part of that whole I'm going to kill you process of this movie?
No, I told you, no, that I am the positivity and the softness in the film. Kali, obviously her mother believed in Ma Kali. That's why she calls her Kali when she was a kid. That's why she was named Kali, after Ma Kali. But that was the only reason. But no, I'm not part of the fighting and the killing, and no, I'm not.